Hi guys, it's Liam here, and today I am bringing you another video. I have just watched some videos on Khan Academy. It's a very amazingly good website. You should check it out right now. If you want to know anything, I can almost guarantee you'll find it here. I'm not exaggerating. So I watched a bunch of videos on cell division. And so now I'm pretty confident that I know what it is. So more specifically, mitosis. Mitosis is when, or cell division, is when, so one cell, just after the previous mitosis has been completed. So we've got a cell. Now we're in a part called interphase, where it's preparing to go into mitosis. So what happens is in this first phase, we've got, let's say, 2 chromosomes, and they're scrunched up into a little ball, and they've got a little nucleus covering it, and they're relatively small. They're in their first phase. Then we go on to the synthesis phase, where they start to unravel, and like uncoil, like a coil, and it's been compressed down, and then when you release it, it like flings up into the sky. But we're not up to that bit yet. So now the chromosomes start to unravel, and then we've got G2, which is the second growth. So it gets bigger. It starts to grow, and then what happens is in the next phase, the 2 chromosomes from the father and the mother actually start to converge to like an X-like thing, with the chromite in the middle, which kind of conjoins them both together. So you've got the 2 ones from the mother and the father, which in this case, that would be in mitosis. In this case, they're both the same, because they both came from one thing. They were both the same thing once. So these are like cellular replicants of a previous cell. But now, what they are, so we've got 2 different chromosomes. So they're kind of entangled like that. And then, so we've got 2 of those with a little converging center. So we've got 2 of these. And what ends up happening is that after they grow, the nucleus starts to destroy itself. And eventually, once it's gone, they start to move away from each other to the left and right of the cell in that phase. Then what happens is that these little small muscular compartments start to stretch over to both sides and link up the 2 chromosomes. Well, no, actually now they're 4 chromosomes, since they're 2 chromosomes that are fused together, so that they start to conjoin to them. Then the cell starts to stretch out due to the pulling, and then what happens is that they're now like a little bit like 2 different cells now. Not yet, but they're a little bit. They're close now. The nucleuses, 2 new nucleuses, start to evolve onto the two little chromosomes that have been fused together. Which, if you remember, that's what we had in the beginning. And then the muscles start to pull really, really tightly, and eventually they both split apart. And so now we've got 2 different cells. And then they do the same thing. They could be eaten before they can complete the process again, but then again, they could not. And they could be able to just continue on, and then the same thing could happen again and again and again. So thank you guys for watching this, and goodbye.